Hi, how's it going? Seja bem-vindo ao Minute English. Eu sou o professor Luiz, seu guia neste mundo da língua inglesa. Two mechanics talking. Hey Mike, how's the engine overhaul going? Hi John, it's coming along. I just finished disassembling the cylinder head. There's a lot of wear and tear though. Yeah, that engine has seen better days. Have you checked the valve seals yet? Not yet. I was about to do that next. What should I look for? Look for any cracks or hardening. If the seals are bad, they'll cause oil leaks and smoking. Got it. I noticed the timing belt looks pretty worn out too. Definitely replace that. If the timing belt snaps, it can cause serious engine damage. That's true. I also noticed some strange noises from the transmission when I tested it. Do you think we should check that out? Absolutely. It could be anything from low transmission fluid to worn out gears. Better to inspect it thoroughly. Okay, I'll do that. By the way, the customer mentioned they've been having trouble starting the car in the mornings. Sounds like a battery issue or maybe a problem with the starter motor. We should test the battery and starter. I'll add that to the checklist. Anything else we should look out for? Just the usual. Check the brakes, fluids, and filters. Make sure everything is in good shape. Will do. Thanks for the tips, John. No problem, Mike. Keep up the good work. Thanks for watching. Give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more stories. See you next time.